Chiliz value equivalent to $0.1007 a coin, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.0981 0.1048. The earlier day close, 0.1047. The change most certainly was 0.0040, 3.82% in a kind of significant way. Reverse rate, USD to CHC incredibly. Chiliz value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future in month Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 25. Cost $0.10, especially greatest 0.11, least 0.09, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 26. Cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 29. Cost $0.10, really most extreme 0.11, certainly least 0.09. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, May 30. Cost $0.10, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.11, fundamentally least 0.09, which is very critical. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31. Cost $0.10, exceptionally most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, June 1. Cost $0.10, really greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 and in every practical sense, significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 2. Cost $0.10, genuinely greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, or so they generally thought. Chiliz estimate on Monday, June 5. Cost $0.10, greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09 in an extremely significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6. Cost $0.10, truly greatest 0.11, extremely least 0.09, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, June 7. Cost $0.10, truly most extreme 0.11, least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 8. Cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, lovely least 0.09 incredibly. Chiliz estimate on Friday, June 9. Cost $0.10, truly greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09 amazingly. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 12. Cost $0.10, certainly most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09 in a by and large significant manner. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, June 13. Cost $0.10, really most extreme 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14. Cost $0.10, most extreme 0.11, really least 0.09 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, June 15. Cost $0.09, really most extreme 0.10, least 0.08 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 16. Cost $0.09, by and large most extreme 0.10, especially least 0.08, which basically is very huge. Chiliz conjecture on Monday, June 19. Cost $0.09, most extreme 0.10, by and large least 0.08, which really is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20. Cost $0.09, extremely greatest 0.10, kind of least 0.08. Showing how Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20. Cost $0.09, kind of greatest 0.10, essentially least 0.08, which is very huge. In about a month Chiliz figure on Wednesday, June 21. Cost $0.09, exceptionally most extreme 0.10, genuinely least 0.08. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, June 22. Cost $0.09, kind of most extreme 0.10, least 0.08 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz figure on Friday, June 23. Cost $0.09, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.10, genuinely least 0.08 in an unobtrusive way. USD to CHC swapping scale commonly equivalent to 9.9305 coins per $1, or so they truly thought. Today, S reach 95420101976 in an all things considered significant way. The past day, S nearby 9.5511, which is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.3794, plus 3.97%, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 10.000 coins. Essentially most extreme 11.111, least 9.091 amazingly. USD to CHC expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 10.000 coins. Sort of most extreme 11.111, genuinely least 9.091, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 10.000 coins. Extremely greatest 11.111, for the most part least 9.091 in an exceptionally huge manner. USD to CHC forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 10.000 coins. Essentially greatest 11.111, really least 9.091. Exhibiting that today, S exchange cost range 0.0981-0.1048 incredibly. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 10.000 coins. Kind of greatest 11.111, sort of least 9.091. Showing how in about a month Chiliz figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.09, especially most extreme 0.10, certainly least 0.08, which sort of is genuinely huge. USD to CHC forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 10.000 coins, especially most extreme 11.111, least 9.091, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 10.000 coins. Beautiful greatest 11.111, truly least 9.091. Genuinely further appearance how Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.10, genuinely most extreme 0.11, certainly least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. USD to CHC forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 10.000 coins. Truly greatest 11.111, exceptionally least 9.091, showing how Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.09, genuinely most extreme 0.10, by and large least 0.08 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost 10.000 coins. Extremely greatest 11.111 in every practical sense, least 9.091 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days USD to CHC expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 10.000 coins. Genuinely greatest 11.111, exceptionally least 9.091, which most certainly is very critical. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost 10.000 coins. Beautiful greatest 11.111, essentially least 9.091, which especially is genuinely huge. USD to CHC expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 10.000 coins.